Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Forever Bonded. I'm gonna teach you guys to make a beginner friendly heart. So you know those crochet hearts. So yeah, we're gonna make that crochet heart especially friendly for beginners. So let's get started. So I'll show you what we need. We need the scissors. Next, I'm gonna use my 3.5 hook, as you can see. And next, I'm gonna use my lightweight 5-ply milk cotton yarn. So I'm using green color, so you can use like any color you want. So guys, if you're a beginner, you should not use this green color or red color yarn if you're crocheting, because they can make the stitches to be unseen when we're crocheting. So yeah, that's why I'm using this, because I know how to crochet now. So let's get started to this video. Now I set the scissors aside, so I'm gonna take my hook and the yarn. So I'm gonna make a regular slip knot. So to make a slip knot, I am gonna take my index finger out, and then I'm gonna roll it just like this, as you can see, and then I'll make an X and hold it down. I'll take the loop off, and then, as you can see, the mini loop here, I'm gonna twist it to the working yarn here, and then just like this, and then you can see a line into the loop, and then we pull that, and as you can see, we made a slip knot. So the next step is we take the hook and then we insert it into the loop, and then we pull the tail yarn. I mean, not the tail yarn, the working yarn, so we can attach it on our hook. So don't pull it too tight. So I'm gonna hold my hook. So this is how I like to hold my yarn. So sorry, not the hook, so the yarn. So I take out 4 fingers like this, and I separate the fingers like this, 3 fingers together, which is my pinky, my ring, and my middle, and then the next 2 fingers are my index and the thumb. So in this area, like where the 3 fingers are, I wrap the yarn like this, and then I wrap the yarn just like this, like I think that's 2 times, I think 1 time, and then that's my second time, and then I wrap it under and over again with my index finger, and I hold my pace with the thumb finger and middle finger. So don't forget to fold the ring and pinky, and this is how I like to hold my yarn. So now let's start crocheting. So to start crocheting, I'm gonna do chains. So first we're gonna do 4 chains. So 4 chains, since this is a nomadic ring project, we're not gonna start with a magic ring, so that's why I'm saying 4 chains. So if you are a full beginner, you can do the magic ring step instead. This is for beginners. So now I'm gonna yarn over and pull through. So you might be reminding me that what is yarn overing and how to pull through. So that's why I didn't do it. And to yarn over, I go left and I grab the yarn, and then I come down. So repeat this process 4 times, 3 more times, sorry, not 4 more times, until we get 4 V shapes. So you can see 1 chain represents 1 V shape over here. So guys, as you can see, I did it 3 times. So see that I did 1 V, 2 V, 3 V's, and 4 V's. So now let's get started in crochet. So to crochet, I'm gonna do treble crochets. So to treble crochet, I'm gonna put it inside the first chain we made on our hook, like this chain. So So as you can see, the chain after the yarn. So I'm gonna insert it in there, but don't insert it yet. We need to yarn over 2 times since we're making a triple crochet. So we're gonna add it inside there. So now we yarn over and pull through the first chain on our hook. Then we yarn over, pull through 2 loops on our hook, and then we yarn over and pull through two loops on our hook, and then we yarn over and pull through the rest of the loops on our hook. So as you can see, we need to get something like this. So you do the same thing another time. So wait for me. If you still don't know how to do this, you can restart the video there, and yeah. And oops, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you where to start the next treble crochet. So we need to start the next treble crochet, as you can see, in this stretched out place right here. So yeah, let's do it. Guys, we might be done with the 2 treble crochets, and this is how it should look. So if this doesn't look on your crochet project, if you're a beginner, you can redo it if you want. So all you need to do is just unravel the yarn. So yeah, get started in the next step. So the next step is not doing more treble crochets. This time we're gonna do double crochets. So to do double crochets, we only yarn over once, and then we put it in the same place where we put it our second treble crochet. We yarn over, pull through the chain on our hook, then I yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then I yarn over, pull through the rest of the loops. So there, we did 1 double crochet. So this is how we look like. So we need to do 4 double crochets. So since we already did 1, we're gonna repeat the progress of 3 more times. So yeah, I will fast forward this. So guys, this is how your piece should look like. Like, it's already the half of a heart right now. So yeah guys, if you reach until this step, that means you're gonna finish the whole project. So high five guys. So if you want a high five, click that like button right there so I can know that you're almost about to end this project. So yeah, let's get started with the next step. So the next step is we need to chain 2. So if you don't know how to chain, again, I'll demonstrate it again. We yarn over. So to yarn over, we need to go left. We hold the yarn, and then we pull it through the loop on our hook. So now we need to do that again. We go left, we grab the hold of the yarn, and then we pull through. So that's it. 2 chains, and now we're gonna do 1 more double crochet. So to do a double crochet, I yarn over, put it in the same circle over there, and then I yarn over, and then I pull through, and then I yarn over, and then I pull through 2, and then I yarn over. As you can see, there are 2 more loops on my hook. I just pull through the rest of them, and there, we're finished. So after this, we need to do double crochets now of 4 more times. So let's fast forward that. So guys, 4 more double crochets should make your heart look like this. So let me hold my yarn again, and here, as you can see. So it's almost about to be a heart, so you guys might be super excited. So now you see this piece, I'm just gonna do that so that I can make this area a lot more wider. So this time we need to do a treble crochet. So let's do that. So treble crochets are basically, we yarn over 2 times, we put it in the circle, and then we yarn over, and then we pull through, and then we yarn over, and then we pull through 2, then we yarn over, and then we pull through. We do that again, and there we get a treble crochet. So now we're going to do it again. So we just yarn over twice. We put it in the same circle. We yarn over, pull through. We yarn over, pull through 2, and then again we yarn over, pull through 2, and then again we yarn over, and wait, there's a mistake for the mistake, but now we yarn over and pull through, and that's it. It's like almost we get a heart, but this doesn't look like a heart. How can we finish it? So to finish it, here's the way. So if you want to finish it, we don't yarn over, but we put it in the circle. So we're gonna do a slip stitch this time. So we yarn over and pull through. So as you can see, there are 2 loops on our hook. Now we just grab hold on the first loop on our hook. Oh my god, that's a mistake. And then we just do that, and then we pull it through the next loop. Now we need to make this guy more bigger. And then we're gonna cut the yarn from here. So wait for that part. Take the crochet hook off now, okay? Yeah, this is how it should look like. So this is where the rest of the yarn was. And now I'm gonna pull this area over here and then get it out. So yeah. And now we're gonna tie a knot using these both yarns. So let's see after tying a knot. Guys, I'm done tying the knot. Now we can cut the yarn from here and there, okay? There you guys, here's our mini little heart, and it's super duper cute. So actually you can crochet this in just 2 minutes if you learn this, and it's a super easy and beginner friendly project like I told. Now you can decorate at least anything. So bye guys.